Lord, we just really lift up LEI to you. We just lift up LEI to the glory of God so that we can spread your word, the word of Christ and the Bible throughout the world. And each of these students, Lord, have made such a tremendous commitment to come today. And we bless that. We thank you for that. We ask for...
Thank you for coming to our graduation, our celebration. Each year at our graduation, one of the students is chosen to represent the women who have attended our class, and one student is chosen to speak on behalf of the gentlemen who have attended the sessions. So it's my pleasure to ask our female representative, Ms. Gloria Christian, to come up, and then Reverend Charles Kimwaley, if you will follow her.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Glory Christian, and it is my joy and privilege to come before you on behalf of my class ILTI, International Literacy Training Institute 09. Just a few months ago, John Taylor suggested me to attend this course. And I answered that I am just starting my ORU classes, so I won't be able to attend any other training. Little did I know that in God's plan, I will not only attend this training, but will stand before you and witness my journey and also the testimonies of my fellow classmates. I thank God for the incredible group of people who have attended this course. And I want to share with you all a glimpse of little things I came to know about them during this training. This year, we had 10 participants from 7 countries around the world. We have Elsa, would you stand up? Yeah. Yes, we have Elsa from Brazil, and Garang from Sudan. And these two people are so passionate about their countries and their people group. We have seen their tears in their class, and we know that. The class knows that how much passionate they are. And I know Garang's family is here, and he is such a special man. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, it's totally our privilege to have him. We have a lovely couple from Korea, Mr. John and Ellen, and they are into their retirement years, and they are planning to go to Korea as planning to go to Mongolia as missionaries, and it is so truly inspirational for us to hear that. We have Jean, who is already volunteering with LEI. Jean and Melanie and Julia, they are already into LEI. We have Reverend Charles from Kenya, who has an immense knowledge in Bible translation and is now diving into literacy and evangelism. We have Lydia Taylor, who is so young. Is Lydia young? Okay. So young, but she has this huge dream to serve in India and of course following the footsteps of the Taylor family. We have Brad, who is so young, but so much open to, you can see that, so much open to go to any part in the world wherever God leads him with his wife. So, and we have 2 brothers from Myanmar, Reverend Muana and Reverend Dinga. He is a New Testament professor, a pastor who has a passion about their people in Burma to translate, like to start literacy missions. So this is to tell you that we have an incredible group of people. And you all the classmates has hugely impacted me. I really say that with all my heart. On behalf of my class, I am so thankful to God for the opportunity to attend this institute and bringing each one of us safely from around the world. And also we thank our home church who has faith in us and our ministries, also our families who have sacrificed and supported us in our endeavor. We are very grateful to all the LEI teachers who has taught us, very passionately equipped us with ESL, literacy training, firm foundations, primer construction. We had a wonderful 5 weeks. Every day during the training, the chapel time was very special to us. All the LEI staff has openly shared their testimonies with us, and to see their passion for literacy and evangelism was so insightful. For me, to see Mrs. Alice Rice, never ever seen Mr. Bob Rice, but to see the co-founder was very touching. Cannot forget that. I wanted to talk to her but could not get the courage to go and talk to her, but yeah, it was very insightful for me. And the whole LEI staff, teachers, volunteers, our director, everybody has been so kind to us, and everybody, you have truly enriched our lives. And finally, we all have been deeply moved to see God at work in this institution. We have heard countless stories of how LEI has reached in the innermost parts of the world through the tool of literacy, and we are so grateful to be a part of such a rich heritage. I can surely say that wherever we go, whatever we do, we will carry this light with us of literacy and evangelism. Thank you.
I want to take this opportunity to